up guys, and welcome back. So currently guys, we all need to keep using Kodi to get our free content, and we have a lot of issues when it comes to our repositories. So whenever we try to load a repository, we tend to get empty folders and we don't seem to get the add-ons we want. So there's a lot of issues in this case guys, but today I've got a great fix for that guys. So it's one repository where you don't have to remember multiples and forget the stuff or write it down. Just use one repo and get multiple repos and get all the add-ons in one repo. So guys, let's get down to actually doing this. But before we go there, guys, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe tab, hit that bell notification, and leave your comments down below. And for those guys that are currently viewing and subscribe to my channel, thanks a lot guys for the support and for allowing me to actually bring this content to you. So let's get down to installing this repo. Right guys, I've already installed it, but I'm going to show you quickly how to do it. So if you have a fresh install Kodi, you're going to go to settings, you're going to go to system settings, you're going to go to add-ons, and you're going to enable unknown sources. So when you click it, it's actually going to tell you this message pop up. You're going to click OK, and you're going to go back out one more time. Then you're going to go back into file manager. You're going to click on that, and you're going to add the source guys. Right, you're going to click on none, and you're going to add this in. So it's http colon / lazykodi.com. Guys, I've already added this, but you can pause the video here, take this down, but it's quite a small URL, so I'm sure most of you can actually remember it, right? But I will leave it in the description down below. So you're going to click OK. I'm going to click cancel guys. I'm going to show you that I have it installed already just for tutorial purposes. So there we have it guys, it's actually installed, right? You're going to give this URL a name as well, and you're going to click OK. So I'm going to go back out. You're going to click on add-ons, you're going to click on the box at the top left corner, and you're going to install from zip file. So guys, we're going to go into lazy, and there we have it guys. So you got repositories, you got wizards, you've got XXX, and you got zip. So guys, XXX adult content, remember you need to be 18 years and above to view this content. If you are not 18 years, do not open this folder guys. It's adult content for adults only, right? So there's it here guys. We've got repositories, we've got different repos, we've got in fact tons here guys. You can pick, choose, use, and see which one works for you guys. Everything in one repo. So let's go down to installing one quickly guys. So I'm gonna go into here, and guys, the famous man cave. So a lot of you guys are actually having issues with man cave. So you're trying to load the repository and it actually gives you an empty folder. So guys, I'm going to show you how this actually works. So we're going to click on man cave, and we're going to click on start here. So you have two versions, which is 0.1.8 and you got 0.1.9. so we're going to pick 0.1.9. So let's go on to that, and we're going to wait a few minutes for it to actually pop up on the top right corner. So guys, just wait a few minutes. And there we have it guys. So as you see, TV Kings repo add-on updated. So once that's done, you're going to go into install from repository, you're going to come down to TV Kings repo, and you're going to go to video add-ons. So guys, look at this. You've got a whole list of add-ons here, and when it comes to man cave, we got man cave entertainment, man cave flicks, man cave jams, man cave text streams. So let's go into man cave flicks guys. So we're going to click on that and click install. So we're just going to give it a few minutes to actually download the add-on to my device. As you see guys, I have a freshly installed Kodi. It's currently doing updates, it's currently loading the dependencies. So just give it a few minutes to load up. Guys, I hope my tutorials are actually useful and it brings your streaming life much easier. And this, remember, my channel is based on everything free, guys. So I'm trying to give you the best content. However, using a VPN is a must. Remember, your ISP tracks you down. You've got the government agencies as well. So keeping yourself secure, use a VPN. My suggestion will be IP Vanish. They currently offer a 46% discount. And guys, I'm affiliated with them. I will leave a link in the bottom. Remember, I will get a few cents every time you click or you order this VPN service. So I will have it in the description down below. Check it out, try it out, and see if it suits you. As we see, guys, Man Cave Flix has been installed. You're going to click on Man Cave and you're going to click open. Guys, remember, this is the first startup, so just give it a few minutes or seconds, should I say. And there we have it, guys, Man Cave here. So we've got movies, TV shows, 24/7, documentary, the kids cave. So we've got a lot of stuff here, guys, and they work quite well. So if you go into movies, guys, remember, this repo is something you can all use. You can use it step by step, or you can try out stuff for yourself. However, please leave your comments down below and tell me, what do you think of this repository having other repositories in it. So look at this, guys. We've got tons and tons of movies, series, TV shows. You've got box sets, everything in one repo. So guys, I hope this helps you out. I'll see you all in my next video. Remember, once again, hit the subscribe tab if you're new to my channel, and thumbs up, guys. Take care.